everybody, my name is Brooke Golden. Here's the paper. It's May 6th, first day of class. So I'm just here to introduce myself. I currently am residing in Phoenix, Arizona. I moved out here about 5 years ago from a small town in Colorado. That's where most of my family lives. My direct immediate family lives there. I'm currently living with my uncle in Mesa, which is close to Phoenix, and absolutely loving it. I came out here for school. I graduated from GCU and ended up absolutely loving it, so I ended up staying. So while here, I like to do a lot of different things. Being in the city allows that, I guess. So one of the main things is hiking. There's beautiful hiking all around the state, as well as I have a passion for archaeology and for art. So I love to go to all the different museums and see all the different exhibitions, learn more about history. My favorite is actually Renaissance art, and then ancient history. So anything like with the Egyptians, Mayans, love that. So anything with that goes through the museums, I'm like first in line to go to those. As far as what my occupation is, I wish I was an archaeologist, but I actually chose to go into nursing. So I graduated with my BSN 2 years ago, and I am currently in ICU, nurse at nights in one of the Trauma One hospitals in Phoenix right now, which is very interesting in this time, but it's really rewarding and really awesome job. So I guess the reason I'm here taking this class is it's a prerequisite. I'm hoping to apply to Midwestern at the beginning of the year to apply for their cardiovascular science degree, and an emphasis in perfusion, and that way I can learn how to maybe, be a part of a transplant team. I can run ECMO machines. Totally open to all the ideas coming from that, but I'm ready to advance my career forward, so that's why I'm here taking this class. As of that, I'm not a full-time student. I'm finishing up a physics course, so this will be my only course over the summer, so I'm excited to see what the semester has to bring, and I look forward to meeting all of you.